Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
We have to balance out the entire situation. Today, I would like to just simply say this much.
Menteri Rangba Gajala Konrad Ki Sangma hakasni balang galai bhui terik nailar arajar arpuar ula keren da kabashai baga Patharkhmah Administrative Unit kaladei hok banyono ekakerdan Civil Subdivision kanang ban pensuk bat ban penyajan ya jing syakri ke sarkar yagi pajba basang basa hakathaim ribhoi satngi Konrad Sangma ula panpau ya gani hakajing alang kablalong halum nongrim bernihat Hakabala sami ki kunsnyang syagi nongri snyang lingba ke Rural Backyard Piggery Scheme jong ke National Livestock Mission. Susu Konrad Sangma ulo ongru bag sarkar hadu menta kadang perkhat sani halor gani ke jing ai ya ke Civil Subdivision bat kam slam shu bag sarkar kan shimikarai ban pin urlong yagi mat jing dawa ban kintiu kordan ya ke Patharkhmah Administrative Unit.
It is slightly complicated. And I understand that Patharkhmah area is very neglected, and people of that area have suffered a lot and have to travel long distances for basic services that they need to get from the subdivisions and from other departments. We have a large number of demands for civil subdivisions from other areas also, and that has put a lot of financial stress and pressure, and hence the time that has been taken to actually come to a conclusion and a decision, because we have to balance out the entire situation. Today I would like to just simply say this much, that in this entire process of selecting different areas where we will be giving subdivisions or we'll be having new blocks and different administrative setups. Definitely Patharkhmah is one of the most deserving areas to get a civil subdivision. That's all I can say. Definitely one of the most deserving areas, and hence when we finalize on everything, once we finalize on giving the subdivisions and upgrading subdivisions, I can assure you that definitely Patharkhmah will be first. Thank you, sir. But we have not finalized the whole process yet, because there are 9 demands for the subdivisions, and hence it is slightly complicated for me. We have waited so long, and you have all been really patient, and so I request you just be patient for a few more, maybe weeks or months, and we will definitely come out with official notification. Plus, I thought that in the celebration occasion like this, should not be just a few hundred people. We should have thousands of people, and preferably also with some good food and lunch. So we will meet again, and then as I said, that day when we meet, hopefully everything will be in place on that day. So when we meet, okay. So we will make out the program, and as I said, this administrative unit is one of the oldest and also one of the most disabled. Okay, it's one of the most disabled. So definitely Patharkhmah will be in the list. That's all I can tell you. Okay.
So it's a long waiting issue that we are expecting from you only. And we have here the secretary and the chairman along with all the leaders from Western Lipoi to again put a not a reminder, maybe it will be last final stage, and it's we are only
I can see them already smiling.
We are asking you, sir, that this very much awaited administrative unit will be upgraded to a civil subdivision. I hope that it will be fulfilled within this time.
Before